Lovely to be back in Drogheda. We have a lot of history here. But Jim's barring order is nearly expired. And it's great to see. This is for the folks out on Henman Hill out there. Who can see us in from out there. And, oh yeah. We're going to do a song called Speed the Plough from one of the many albums we produced over the years. Well, we decided that the album that we did it on was Aliens, which is the one about heading out of Ireland and heading for America. And this is a song about a guy who leaves the farm behind and goes off to take up living in Wisconsin or Iowa or Milwaukee or somewhere cold and slightly threatening over there. Doing the thing I spend my life doing, talking while the technical bits are fixed. Actually, it's mostly my technical bits that are being fixed when this happens. But for once I can point at Jim and go, this is all your fault, James. James Lockhart, this is all your fault. Okay, he's changed the spark plugs. Okay, speed the plough.
On a pretty face, and felt the tears she cried. Her cheeks were bleached as white as snow as she kissed me goodbye. We heard the hounds we could not see, and knew our time had come. I turned my back on prison form, and they began to run. Speed the plough, I'll wait no more for fire from God. Listen to me now, see the plough, see the plough. For me now, she's standing by the well. She may have to wait until it's dry, 'cause I am off to hell. See the plough, I'll wait no more for fire from God. Listen to me now, see the plough, see the plough, see the plough. I'll wait no more for fire from God. Listen to me now, see the plough, see the plough.
Thank you. We love you. Thank you. Good night. Thank you.